No invitation for Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno to testify, at least not from the senator judges. On day 24 of the impeachment trial of Chief Justice Renato Corona, presiding officer Juan Ponce Enrile says it's the prosecution's job to invite the Supreme Court Associate Justice directly to testify.
Susunod kami sa gusto ninyo kahit at makikita ng Korte Suprema na magiging arbitrary itong hukom na ito. At idedeklara nila itong prosesong ito na unconstitutional. Saan tayo pupunta? At saan?
If I may po,
Saan nga? Saan?
The senators want to avoid a possible clash between the impeachment court and the High Tribunal. Senator Antonio Trillanes, who had earlier suggested sending written questions to Justice Sereno, changes his mind. Senators reprimand the prosecution for shifting the burden of inviting the Supreme Court justice to the court.
Have you fully thought out your position? Tinatanong ka ng presiding officer, ilang beses ka nang tinanong, ano ngayon mangyayari kung isabina namin, utusan namin ang justice at ayaw niyang sumunod? I-cite namin siya for contempt. Ano ngayon mangyayari? Magpapakulong ba siya sukat? Kung i-cite din niya kami for contempt, o ano ngayon ang sagot mo? Pag-iisipan muna natin ito because we're talking about the entire nation. This is not a question of pataasan ng ihi.
Ginoong Taga-Usig, nabanggit nyo kanina, nagpulong kayong legal team at napagkaisahan ninyo, wag na lang tumuloy para kausapin si Justice Sereno dahil baka isipin pinupuwersa o inimpluwensyahan ninyo. Bakit kami isusubo nyo sa kinahihiyan nyong gawin?
The debate about Justice Sereno's testimony stems from a Supreme Court resolution barring justices and employees from testifying in the impeachment trial. The ruling says Justice Sereno can testify voluntarily, but she still needs to ask permission from the court. In her dissenting opinions, Sereno accuses Corona of maneuvering to favor former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Prosecutors say they will still invite Justice Sereno, but admits it could be futile.
We will invite her as an impeachment panel of prosecutors. Hindi personal, pero pag-uusapan namin bilang grupo ano yung pinakamagandang pamamaraan para makumbinsi po natin yung testigong yon, magpakita rito at maisiwalat po niya yung nilalaman ng kanyang dissenting opinion.
The defense says the prosecution should have approached Justice Sereno earlier.
Dapat yung mga partido, pagka panahon nyo na magpresenta ng testigo, kailangan inayos nyo na yan. Ang mas maganda nga, kasama nyo na hindi nyo na kailangan humingi pa ng tulong or ng request for subpoena mula dun sa court.
Justice Sereno appearing in court would have been a major gain for the prosecution. As prosecutors begin to wrap up their case, their challenge is to use the evidence they have to strengthen their allegations against Corona and to ultimately persuade senators to convict him with or without Justice Sereno's testimony. Natasha Gutierrez, Rappler.